Still in Borrego Springs, found Peg Leg Smith Monument Register, erected by Desert Steve in 1949. Another sign here. Let those who seek Peg Leg's gold, something 10 rocks to the add 10 rocks to the pile. Harry Oliver, 1948. And there's the pile over here. Brought me 10 rocks, already threw them. Now I need to find the gold. Here's the other monument. A historical marker about a famous liar. Not a bad view from up here. Morning walk with Doozer. Came up the hill. Spin around. I'll turn the camera around for a minute. There's my van way down there. Where is it? Right about there. That's my van. And then over here, that's where the Peg Leg Smith monument is. And yeah, nice little view. Isn't that right, Doozer? You tired? Alright, campsite's all set up. All hooked up to shore power, sewer, water. It's time to take Doozer for a walk and do some laundry and a shower. Nice little showers are right over here. Alright, Doozer's done with his walk. It's time to make some lunch for myself, and then shower and laundry. Shower time finally. So much better. Alright. And you'll see if there are any laundry machines open. There usually are. Just because I said it, there probably won't be any. Machines, you actually use an app to turn the washing machine on and off. It's just go to there, you choose your machine. Okay. Press the start button on the machine. Normal. And we're good to go. It's pretty cool, actually. They even give you a alert on your phone when the washer's almost done. Alright guys, that's all I got for this week. I'm gonna stay here in Palm Springs for a couple more days, figure out where the heck I'm going. I have no idea where I'm going next, so I've got to figure that out. It's gonna be nice in Palm Springs for the next couple days. Gonna be in the 80s, mid 70s, perfect temperature. Might go for a swim in the pool, who knows. Anyhow, we'll see you next time. Cheers.